Do you want to start affiliate marketing but you do not have any money to start this business? That's okay, fine. There are a lot of people who start with empty pocket but they are earning in millions as of now. In this particular video I'll be showing you how you can start affiliate marketing without even any money. And again, this strategy is only for those people who are students who do not have any money to invest, or maybe those people who lost their job, they do not have any savings to invest in the business. But understand one thing very clearly: affiliate marketing is a real business and you will need to invest your money to get more money. Initially you can start with affiliate marketing without even money. Either way, you have to invest your time or else you have to invest your money. That's it. All right, so you have to understand the simple concept that any business, if you go for any business, it requires a startup cost. Without that startup cost, it won't be able to sustain for a longer period of time. But that's okay. If you invest your time, if you invest your energy, if you really put your hard work every single day, then it will become easy to get some money. And after that you can reinvest in various of tools, various of your automation system, in advertisement, just to increase the revenue, just to get more leads, just to get more people to buy from your affiliate links. All right, so I will discuss in various of parts. And before this, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh, and in this particular channel I talk about affiliate marketing, a passive income, and various of ways by which you can start, by which you can create a sustainable and profitable business for your business, for your life. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So without going further, let's jump into the content. So very first thing is deciding on a platform. Right, so why we need to go for any platform? Let's say any of the, if you are promoting any of the weight loss related product or any product, it can be any niche. All right, so before deciding the niche itself, you have to decide the platform, which platform you want to go, which platform you want to promote your contents, which for which kind of a platform you want to create contents. All right, so very first thing is YouTube, because YouTube is the second search engine of the world, and you can really your contents will get visibility for longer period of time. All right, so understand one thing: the power of YouTube. If you are creating contents on YouTube for a regular basis, maybe for a period of 30 days, you will be able to create lot of inflows into your affiliate links. And again, I will discuss how you can finalize every single thing and how you can get the leads, how you can nurture them. I'll just give you the brief in this particular video. So again, it can be YouTube, or it can be Instagram, Quora, LinkedIn, Medium, then Facebook groups. So there are various of ways by which you can start generating your start creating contents and interact with the people, by which you can start leveraging the power of organic media. And again, organic, it will all the organic medias, all the organic platforms, it will take time. But if you are patient enough, if you are ready, dedicated to give your hard work every single day, then it is easy to create cash flow. It is easy to create a good community, and you can if you just think for a longer period of time, then it will give you fruit in the long run. All right, so second but not the least, the thing what you have to decide, that is selecting a profitable niche. Understand one thing: no matter what people will say, that go for some niche which is profitable, but that's okay. Understand one thing: there might be lot of niches which is profitable, but if you do not have any interest on that particular niche, then you are not going to sustain for a longer period of time. Right, so if you do not have any interest of creating contents on that particular niche, then there is no point of selecting any of the particular niche which is not even worth of your time. Understand that very clearly. So you have to select any of the niche which is profitable, where you have interest, and which has high demand. That's it, the three things which you have to follow. So these are all pretty much you can say macro niche: health, wealth, and relationship, because people wants to pay for money, pay their money for solution. All right, and here understand one thing very clearly: with the help of affiliate marketing, you are helping some people to solve any of the issue. If your target should be to solve anyone's issue, if you are not able to solve, you won't be able to solve sell any of the products. This is very critical, and people are failing by not understanding the simple concept, by not understanding the art and science of promoting their links. So they think like if they promote their links, if they spam their links, the sale will generate. It is not going to happen ever. So if you are going for any narrow niche, then the money is you will be able to create good cash flow, good amount of money. So next thing what you have to find, what you have to follow, that is finding recurring affiliate programs. So why recurring? There are plenty of products which is providing one time commission. That's okay, there is nothing harm on that. There are plenty of very good products which is providing commission only once. If you make the sale, you will get commission. That's it, fine. That is nothing good or bad about that model. But if you are promoting any of the programs, any of the products which is providing recurring commission every single month, then it is very easy to generate good commission, because you are getting commission every single month. You are generating sale one time and you are getting commission every single month. That is the strategy which every super affiliates are following. So just there are plenty thousands of affiliate programs in every niche. Almost every niche you will find recurring kind of program, recurring affiliate programs which is providing commissions every single month. So some of the marketplaces are, you can just go and check JVZoo, ClickBank, or even you can check individual affiliate products, right? So even if you ask me, currently I'm in wealth niche, and I help people how they can create wealth, how they can create financial freedom, how they can create any of the it can be making money or something related to wealth, right? So I mainly promote various of tools, various of training programs which is helpful for the people, and those programs are providing recurring commissions. Means I'm generating sale once and I'm getting commissions throughout every single month. This is the beauty of recurring commissions. All right, so you just need to understand every those particular programs which is providing good commission. At least it should be more than $50 to $60 per sale, and if it is providing recurring commission, just go for that. And you do not have to join hundreds of affiliate programs to earn millions of money. You can just simply select few selected programs and you can promote them only, and you will be able to create a very good number of cash flow in your business. All right, so next thing is creating content that is solving any problem. That should be the key. And if you keep if you keep this concept into your mind, what is the problem which my audience are facing? It can be let's say maybe how to lose a weight, or maybe how to get slim, or maybe how to get better sleep, or maybe how to become a best in relationship, or whatever, you just name it, right? So if you are solving any of the issue, then if after solving the issue, then if you are recommending, hey, I am using this particular product, I'm just referring this particular product because I know the owner and I know the kind of value he is providing, then it is absolutely no brainer, right? And you can really promote any of the product if you are solving their issue. The first criteria, the first mindset, what you have to be, you have to solve any of their issues which is their burning desire, and if you able to solve their issues, they are willing to pay you money. This is the simple thing what you have to do, right? So you can just solve any of the problem by creating contents in text format in the sense, as I have mentioned, you can create articles on Medium or LinkedIn or Quora. So these are all text format mainly. And again, if you are just selecting any of the content in video format, you can upload on YouTube or Instagram or maybe Facebook or any. There are plenty of plenty of ways by which you can promote your video contents. All right. Even same thing, if you are going for audio contents, you can just create podcast. Next thing is creating a lead magnet. So there are a lot of people who do not even understand what is lead magnet. All right, so okay, just let me make you understand. A lead magnet is something which you give for free of cost, and people are giving their email ID just to get that particular freebie. It can be any ebook, or it can be any mini course, or it can be worksheet, or whatever, right? So you can create a lead magnet just and offering, maybe as I gave you the example, like if anyone wants to just lose 10 pounds, or maybe if anyone wants to become a better husband or something like that. All right, so if you are creating a lead magnet, and if you are providing that to your audience, and they are willing to give their email ID on behalf of that particular lead magnet. All right, so this is easy. And there is something called as a Tripwire is it's a low cost product. So there is a difference between lead magnet and Tripwire product is something low cost, maybe $7, or maybe $9, or maybe something like $17 product, which is a low cost product to enter into your funnel. All right, so here in the same way, you have to create a lead magnet, and there are plenty of lead magnets already available. You can just go to PLS store, and you can download some of the PDF, and you can just give away for a free of cost. All right, so with the help of lead magnet, you will be able to generate leads. We will be able to collect the leads. As I said, you can simply just create a PDF, and hardly it will take half an hour of work, and you will be able to create your PDF. And in the PDF also, you can just add your affiliate link. All right, so next thing, you have to create a autoresponder sequence. So once the lead is into your autoresponder system, the email ID, you have the email ID of the particular user, or the particular buyer. All right, so you have to just nurture them by delivering value. So simple thing, you have to just go to various of tools. There are various of tools out there, but currently I'm using GetResponse and ConvertKit. Both of the systems I'm using, and that's why I'm referring you people just to join them. And there's, you can just start with free trials. They are, both of them are providing free trials, and you can just start with them. And most important part, you have to give them value through email communication, through email autoresponders. And this is why people are generating a good amount of leads. This is the thing where people are generating good amount of sales by nurturing and by following up with the leads. This is the thing what you have to do. And again, no one buys on the first instance, so you have to nurture your community. So let's say you are driving traffic from YouTube, or maybe from Facebook, or maybe some Instagram, or whatever it may be. All right, from any of the platform, then you just drive them. Once they are into your lead, into your autoresponder sequence, then just send them, hey, I have created a Facebook group, make sure just join my Facebook group, because you are hooking them into, you are bringing them to your Facebook group. So by this, you are creating a community. All right, so you do not have any of the access to them apart from their mail ID. That's okay, your mail ID, their mail ID is enough to get the work started. So you have to start nurturing your community. Probably you can just create a Facebook group, and you can just go live once in a week, and you can just bring value, you can just give value, and bring and again, once you start giving value, they will start trusting on you, and they will start following your advice. And later on, maybe if you are pitching one of your product or one of your affiliate link, then they will definitely buy. So this is the pretty much framework what you follow if you do not have any money. And again, pretty much the whole thing is simple. Once you start generating few amount of sales, then you can just create Facebook ads, or maybe YouTube ads, just to drive more traffic into your lead magnet. And again, the autoresponder will automatically take care of them, and you will be able to create good cash flow into your business. I hope I was able to give you little value and give you the framework how we can start affiliate marketing without even any money. And again, if you are kind of a person who are looking for getting rich quick, then this particular thing is not going to work for you, because affiliate marketing is a long-term game. And just let me know if you have any concerns, any questions in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, just let me know. And just follow me on Instagram. I have given the link just a bit in the description, and you can join my Telegram group, where I will show you my in and out, so what I'm doing in the back end. And till then, stay safe, have a great day.